Quarantine is in place for the rest of 2020 and most likely the next 2 to 3 years. Staying isolated for so long can have devastating effects on mental health for anyone. These effects could result in a range of mental health concerns from anxiety and anger to sleep disturbances, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder.
Separate studies of quarantined patients of SARS, a previous coronavirus outbreak in 2003, found between 10% and 29% suffered PTSD. Mental health concerns could be inflamed by stressors associated with quarantine, such as infection fears, frustration, boredom, inadequate supplies, lack of information, financial loss, and stigma surrounded with contracting the disease. Don't worry, however, there are many things you can do to keep yourself in a good mental state through quarantine.
The first thing you can do to keep yourself in a good mental state through quarantine is to identify symptoms. Symptoms may include fear and worry about your own health, changes in sleep or eating patterns, difficulty sleeping or concentrating, worsening of chronic health problems, increased use of alcohol, tobacco, or other drugs. Once you identify these symptoms, you may be able to get the help you need or fix these habits with proactive choices.
There are many activities that one can do to maintain good mental health, especially during coronavirus isolation. The most important thing that you can do for yourself is to maintain consistency and routine in your day-to-day, so that you don't fall into a mental rut. Good ways to improve your mental health state during isolation can be getting regular exercise, maintaining a sleep schedule and getting at least 7 hours of sleep per night, keeping on practicing hobbies that you have, picking up a new hobby, stretching and meditating, making time to do things that you enjoy, and calling friends and family often to lessen feelings of isolation.
No one likes staying isolated for such a long duration of time. However, quarantine can allow us to understand ourselves better and reflect on the things that we have done in the past. All we have to do now is maintain a good mental health, also while trying to have some semblance of our normal lives. Once quarantine is over, the experience we gain will allow us to become better individuals.